Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad, and in this video we are going to talk about like if you are new in the United Kingdom, definitely you will be looking for a driving theory test or for a driving practical test date. So like if you have passed your driving theory test, definitely you are lucky enough if you have passed your driving theory test and you have booked your driving practical test, but because of some reasons you are unable to attend your driving practical test and you want to change the date of your driving practical test. So what is the best scenario? You can change the date of your driving practical test 6 times without any extra money. Like if you have booked your driving practical test once, you can change it 6 times in the future without any additional charges. Okay, and if you want, you can cancel as well. So in this video I am going to let you people know about like what is the process, how you can cancel the test, or how you can change the date or the venue of your driving practical test. So for this you will be in need of three things. Number one, when you create account of the DVSA, you get a provisional driving license number. So the first thing out of those three is your driving test license number, your driving license number. When you create online DVSA account, you get this number, and in few days you get provisional driving license as well, and on that card your driving license number will also be written. So after having the driving license number, then you will be able to book the driving theory test, and after clearing the driving theory test you will be able to book the driving practical test. And if you don't want to go for the driving practical test on the booked date, in that scenario you is able to change your driving practical test date, or you can change your driving practical test venue as well. So first thing was your driving license number, and second thing is when you book the driving theory test you get a booking reference number, that reference number. And the third thing is when you pass your driving theory test you get a certificate number as well. So these three number one is your driving license number, your booking reference number, and your certificate number. These three numbers are very important. You should have these three numbers before going for a change in date or change in the venue of your driving practical test. So let's move to the laptop screen. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to open any of the browser, and in that browser you have to write DVSA official website, or you have to write how to change your driving practical test. So this page will open in front of you. You can see the change your driving test appointment. You will click over here, then you can see change your driving test appointment. Here you can see you can find the earlier driving test dates, or you can move your driving test to the later date, or you can change which test center you take your test. So you can do everything using this link and using this website. You can change the date, you can change the venue, you can get the early date. So you will go down and you will click on the start now button. Here you will do the verification. So after verification you will click over here, and here you go. You can see here you have to put here over here driving test license number, and then you are in need of the driving test reference number or driving theory test number, which I have explained you earlier. So here you can find on your driving license, provisional driving license, you can find the driving license number on the fifth number. There are a lot of things, but on the fifth number you can find the driving license number starting with your surname. So you can get your driving license number from here, and after driving license number you will put over here, you will write your driving license number in this box. So I have hidden these my details because these are the personal one. So then you will go for the driving test reference number. Let me tell you, let me explain you how you can get. Go into your email. What you will do in your email, you will search for the customer service. So you will get this confirmation email from the DVSA customer service. So here you can see this is the driving test booking confirmation, and in the mid of this email you can find the reference number. So you will take your booking reference number and you will write your booking reference number over here, and then you will click on the continue button. Here you can see you can change your driving test time and date, and you can find the test center as well, or you can change the test center as well. Apart from this, you can change test type, you can change the candidate details, you can change the special arrangement and instructor reference, and you can cancel the test as well. So let's move. Here we go. You can see we first of all we are going to try the change in the date and time. So you can see over here, like you can see over here, my previous test was 8th of November 2022, and but unfortunately I was not able to attend this test, so I am going to rebook it now. So you have to rebook your test before the expiry of your test 5 days. So let me find test within the 3 working days. I can change as well. So I'm going to select, I'm going to click on the find the test within the 3 working days. Over here I am going to put my postcode. So after entering my postcode over here, click on the search button. They are saying unfortunately no short notice test available within the 5 miles. So what you have to do, you have to select the change date and time option over here. Here you can see you can change the date and time by the 2 ways: show the earliest test date available, and you can put your preferred time and date as well. So I am going with the first option, show the earliest test date available. After selection of this option, I am going to click on the continue button. After this, put your preferred postcode, and here you go. Bedford, my postcode is from Bedford. Bedford date is available on the 26th of the March, and you can look for the other dates as well. But unfortunately this date work was coming, but unfortunately I was not able to get this date because I keep on refreshing and I kept on seeing the other dates. But this was the initial date in the Bedford on the 26th of March, but I missed this date. So what you have to do, you have to select the test center, and then you have to quickly click on the change button. But when I click on the change button, you can see over here in the Bedford no test found on any date. Unfortunately that date was gone. But in the meantime the second date was coming in the Lichworth on the 27th of the March. After I lost the Bedford date, so I went for the Lichworth on the 27th of the March. So you can see over here this is 27th of the March, but this is the second city. So please select that city. Here you can see the date available is only 27th of the March. All other date in the shaded boxes are picked by someone else. So I am going to select the 27th of the March, and then the time available is 8:10 in the morning. So I have selected this time as well. So after selection of the date, after selection of the time, what you will do, click on the continue button. Here you go, Wednesday 27th of the March 2024, 8:10 in the morning. Go on the continue button, and here they are asking who are you. I am the candidate. I am the candidate over here. Select on the I am the candidate. They are showing the date and the time of the test available, test center. So you can confirm 27th of the March Lichworth and confirm the changes. So once you will confirm the changes, here you can see you will get this screen, and here they are saying booking changes confirmed. Congratulations, so you have booked the test. In this way guys, this is very easy way. You can again confirm your date and the time. You can again confirm your center as well. In the meantime guys, if you're not happy with this test date, you can change this again as well. Keep in mind, if you have booked with the DVSA driving test, either theory or the practical test, you can change the date 6 times without any extra charges. So this is the very simple process. If you want to change, you can change. Thank you very much guys for watching the video.